What would you suggest for point of view when you want to write with an inconsistent timeline for either trad or indie? In other words, jumping from past to present and back again. Can you get away with dual first point of view? I am of the opinion that you can do pretty much anything as well as you do it really well in a way that keeps the reader in the story, engaged with the story, and knowing whose head they're in. Now, when we're talking about a close point of view, if you're jumping back and forth and you're going back and forth between points of view, it could be a little trickier. But if that's something that you feel called to do for the story, if you feel that your story needs this dual point of view and it needs this jumping from past to present and back again, then that's what you should try. I think you'll be able to find out whether or not it's working within a few chapters, and maybe you could have a critique group or some alpha readers read just the first few chapters and tell you whether or not it is working for them. But I'm not one to be like, no, you can't do that. I always say, yes, if you want to try it, you should try it. If you can do it well and make it work well and give the reader an excellent experience, then of course, why shouldn't you do that? Because that is something that the reader might enjoy. So if you were looking for permission, I mean, I guess I just gave you permission, but if you're not sure, if you're not exactly feeling it, then you might want to spend a little bit more time figuring out why, what your reservations are, and whether or not you're going to be able to address those reservations in the writing and in the storytelling.